To make money with a blog for beginners, complete guidance is available here. This is the ultimate guide on how to make money blogging for beginners. Learn the different ways you can make money from your blog. Is it really possible for a beginner to make money with a blog? Can you make a living out of blogging, or it is just another myth? The answer to both questions is yes. Blogging for money is not a theoretical concept, but it is a reality. Anyone with some basic knowledge of blogging, SEO, and a general ideas of how the internet works can start a blogging business and make money. How bloggers earn money, an introduction for beginners. The blog you are reading now is a real life example of a making money blog. The purpose of this guide is to help to make money by avoiding mistake or losing valuable time on mistakes that won't contribute to your main goal. It is aimed at beginners because I remember when I started out in 2002, I found it very difficult to understand how blogging can help you make money. It took me a number of years to realize the whole picture and find out what I was doing wrong and how to turn things around right directions. Hopefully this comprehensive step-by-step guide will put you in the right direction from money from the very beginning and give you a solid plan to follow that will generate result in the fastest possible way. Before getting into the details, let me clarify something from now. It's not an easy job. It is a tricky and time consuming process that requires a lot of effort and hard work, but it is also one of the best and most rewarding jobs in the world. The reward from building a successful blogging business is not only the money, but most important, the feeling of achievement and the satisfaction of creating a business without relying on anyone else but your own talent and strength. Have you ever wondered why there are so many articles on how to make money with a blog? If some people know the magic formula, why do they share it with the world and not keep it for themselves and generate more money? The answer is simple. It's the dream of every blogger to reach a point where they are making money online and then share how to start a blogging business with the rest of the world. Of course, as we will see below, it's another way to make money through affiliate marketing or by selling your own product and capitalizing on your success. How to start a blog and make money. The fastest way to learn how to start a blog and make money is to follow a proven step-by-step blueprint. The ultimate digital marketing will teach you how to make money blogging using digital marketing. You will learn how to create content for your blog, how to get Google traffic, how to turn traffic into money with affiliate marketing. Let's rewind and take it from the beginning. How do the most make online money? And how can you do the same? How to make money by blogging? These are the 7 steps to follow the make money online. Set up your own self-hosted blog, start publishing great content, build organic traffic to your website, build a community around your brand, start making money by selling ads, make money by selling your product or services, make money through affiliate marketing, set up your self-hosted blog. This is perhaps the easiest step. It is easy these days to register a domain name and a set of blog. All you need is a bit of help and pointers in the right direction. In summary, to start a blog, you need to follow these steps. Register a domain name, sign up for web hosting, set up WordPress, publishing your first blog post. If you don't already have a blog, you can click to start. You will be presented with a wizard that will take you through the process step by step in 30 minutes or in a less minute. You'll have your own self-hosted blog with WordPress installed, and you can the proceed to step 2, mistakes to avoid when setting up your own blog. As a beginner in blogging, it's normal to make mistakes. That's perfectly okay, provided from that you learn from mistakes and do not repeat them. When it comes to starting a blog, have these tips in mind. Keep your focus on your main goal, make money online. Your goal is to reach a point where you will get start money making online from your blog. You get should not forget that I am mentioning this again because I know from my experience that a common mistake from beginner is that making is spend too much time and effort is design the perfect blog, forgetting that at the early stages when there is no traffic coming in, nobody cares about your website design, and that includes Google's. I am not saying that website design is not important, it is, but no the early stages. Your primary goal at this step is to have a blog running, start creating content that you will get your traffic. There is so much work involved in getting traffic and potential customers, and you should devote your energy to those tasks from the very beginning. You need to have your own domain self and a hosted blog. As you will read in how to start a blog guide, there is a big difference hosting your business on a free platform like medium.com and having your own domain and your own self-hosted websites. Starting a blog requires choosing the high hosting solution. Hosting ensure your content is secured and reliable when reaches your ideal readers. Make the right decision from beginning and choose the right platform. By far, self-hosted WordPress website is your best choice. Keep it simple. If you are starting out now, try to keep everything is as simple as possible. Don't overcomplicate things because you will get lost in the process. You have a lot to learn and you can go along. You will change your mind about many things. So save your time and energy for the more complicated tasks. You can start publishing great content. You have a website up and running. That's great. Now it's time to get to one of the most difficult challenge tasking blogging, which creating the actual content for your blog. A blog with no content is nothing. A blog with medical content is just another blog in the millions of already published blogs. Blog with great content is a money making business. Having said that, it is important to understand from the beginning the importance of content for your blog success. Great, superb, or fantastic you choose content will get you traffic. We will see below how credibility and make you money in different ways. So what is great content? Great blog content is not necessarily text. It can be images, video, infographics, or even audio, but for the purpose of achieving high ranking Google and other search engines, your content should be correct primary text. As I mentioned above at the beginning, it is simple. Later on, for the best result, you can combine with the other forms to make your content more interesting. Great content has the following characteristics.